Every foods, whether it is regional or derived, are generally had a rich content in its history, geography, culture, customs, and people. Well, while talking about food culture of India, we have organized a food trip from Kashmir to Kanyakumari on the 76th Independence Day of our nation, where we are trying to delineate the food diversity of India. So, to join us and our food trip, please do not forget to subscribe our channel Infoodainment. Now we have moved to the eastern region. The first place we visit is Bihar. The word Bihar is derived from a Pali word Bihara, which means abode of peace. This is the place where the two great religions evolved, the Jainism and the Buddhism, where the world's oldest university had left behind its relics, the birthplace of greatest ancient astronomer and mathematician Aryabhatta. In the War of Indian Independence, Bihar played most vital roles such as in the Battle of Buxa 1764, Sipai Mutiny, Champaran Satyagraha movement and the Quit India movement of 1942. When it comes to food, the Litti Chokha of Bihar, which can be considered as parts of their ethos and culture, dated back as a principal food of Magadha. It is a very popular dish and a convenient meal of Bihar, Jharkhand and eastern Uttar Pradesh. Litti raised its importance for the valiant Sipai during the mutiny of 1857. Tatia Topi, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others took it as their food for living during the war as no such utensils are needed to prepare it. Even it stays dried for a long time when there are very less water found in the wilderness and gorges and remains edible for 48 hours. Now we are moving to the state of Bengal, situated in the bank of Hooghly River. Bengal previously comprises with West Bengal and Bangladesh and was called Ganga Hriday. The words genuinely means the wealth of Ganges, mentioned in the Book of Indica by the Greek traveller Megasthenes. West Bengal is often termed as the hub of all cultural traits with its capital Kolkata, the cultural hub of India. The great literary eminent has came into enlightenment from this place, such as Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Michael Madhusudan Datta, and Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay acquired an important position in the War of Independence through their literacy and potency.
হাসি হাসি পরব ফাঁসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী আমি হাসি হাসি পরব ফাঁসি দেখবে ভারতবাসী একবার বিদায় দে মা ঘুরে আসি হাসি
Talking about the food, culture, and history of Bengal, we cannot ignore that Bengal is known as the sweetest part of India, and the parts of its credit goes to none but the Bengal's Rasgulla. This syrup-filled dessert has achieved its GI tag in November 2017. But this sweet revealed a sweet competition between Bengal and Orissa, questioning about its invention and claim for GI tag. Orissa claimed that Rasgulla was one of the traditional sweets served as Kheer Mohan to Lord Jagannath at the temple of Puri from more than a century. While Bengal claims it was invented by Nobin Chandra Das in the year 1868. To find the authentic flavor of Orissa, we marched towards the state of Orissa. As we all know, Orissa is a land of scenic beauties, sea beaches, and extraordinary monuments, culture, tradition, and its own art and crafts. But the most attractive is its traditional sweets of Orissa. Chhena Poda is the sweet dessert famous in each and every corner of Orissa. It was invented accidentally at the place called Nayagar. According to the local folklore, the owner of the confectionery, Sudarshan Shah, once added sugar and cashew raisins to the leftover cheese, left it to an earthen pot overnight. In the very next day, when he tasted it, he became surprised, and that was how the invention of chana poda came into account. Chana poda is dedicated to Lord Jagannath and served as one of the dish of Chappan Bhog. With the taste and stories of different popular items of eastern region, we have completed our journey to the eastern zone of India. Next, we will start with our trip with the exploration of South India. Till then, take care, goodbye, Vande Mataram and Jai Hind.